Wilde's here.
Hey guys, got another Wilde tool to check out today. Apparently I was still pronouncing it wrong in the last video. It's not wild, it's not wildy, it's wildy. Whatever, I'm still gonna keep using that wildy intro. I spent like 2 hours making that. Anyway, these are their versions of tongue and groove pliers, and I wanted to see how they compared to my trusty Channellocks. Right off the bat, the Wildies are a hair longer than the Channellocks. These are both 10-inch pliers, but the Channellocks clock in at 9 5/8, and the Wildies are right at 10 inches. Weight-wise, the Channellocks weigh 12 3/4 ounces, and the Wildies weigh around 14 1/2 ounces, so they're a little bit heavier too. Oh, and look, I did get a full ounce this time. The head thickness is slightly thicker on the Wildies, and the jaws on the Wildies open up a fair bit wider too. The teeth on the Wildies go back all the way to the back of the jaws, whereas on the Channellocks, they stop just short of the back. This might make a difference if you're trying to grab onto something small way at the back of the jaws. I don't know. And I also noticed the teeth on the Wildies are raked back ever so slightly. In theory, this should give you some extra bite when you're turning something with the pliers. The tongue and groove adjustment mechanism looks pretty much identical to the Channellock, which makes sense as those patents have long since expired. The Wilde does have 5 grooves instead of 4, which gives it one more adjustment position and explains the slightly larger jaw capacity. The Wilde is held together with a bolt and a nut, while the Channellock uses a rivet. This gives the Channellock a little bit of an edge on thinness at the pivot point. Handles are about the same, they're just dipped in a different color of rubber. Now my Wildies have a black oxide finish on them, which I prefer over the brushed finish on the Channellocks. But when I went to look these up on Wilde's website, they all have the Channellock style brushed finish on them now. So I don't know if they're discontinuing the black oxide ones. If so, that kind of sucks. I also saw they have an interesting flush fastener version that I'll definitely have to check out at some point. The Wildies appear to be a good alternative to the Channellock, and they're still made in the USA, which is nice. Wilde is also the OEM for Proto and Tecton's pliers, and at one time they made the pliers for SK, so you might have already used a pair of their pliers and didn't even know it. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I have a few more Wilde tools that I want to check out, so stay tuned for those videos. See you later. Bye.